Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2011 Chevy Malibu on a level surface, set the parking brake, and open the hood. Wear gloves and safety glasses, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorting. Gather tools, a 10 mm socket and ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and the replacement H11 bulb or assembly if you are replacing the whole housing. Have a clean towel or small tray to hold the 10 mm bolts so nothing gets lost, and allow 30 minutes for this easy method. With tools ready, remove the three 10 mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the frame using your 10 mm socket and ratchet. Support the assembly with one hand as you loosen the bolts so it does not drop. Pull the assembly gently forward about 2 to 3 inches until you can reach the electrical connector. Press the locking tab and pull the harness straight back to unplug it. Rotate the H11 bulb counterclockwise and pull it free, avoiding skin contact with the bulb glass. Install the new H11 bulb by lining up the plastic tabs, inserting the bulb into the headlight socket, and rotating clockwise until it seats firmly. Reposition the headlight assembly into place, aligning the mounting points, then reinstall the three 10 mm bolts and tighten them snugly with the ratchet. Do not over-torque. Reconnect the electrical harness, and then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on the vehicle and test low beam, high beam, and turn signals to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.